Composer, add KNX Lights. In this video, we'll show you how to add KNX Lights in Composer Pro. Here are the steps we will explain. 1. Add a KNX Gateway Driver. 2. Adding Swith light. 3. Adding dimmer light. 1. Add a KNX Gateway Driver. In Composer Pro, on the right side, click on Search. Enter KNX and tick Online. You have two gateway driver options: KNX Tunneling Gateway and KNX Routing Gateway. Control 4 recommends using the KNX Routing Gateway. This driver allows you to use multicast and therefore does not need to use a specific IP address. This driver will be essential if you wish to use the new drivers such as KNX Color, for example. You absolutely need a multicast-compatible gateway, and you will need to pay attention to the KNX filter tables. If you have an old generation IP gateway, you can use the KNX Tunneling Gateway driver. You will need to specify its IP address in the driver. Let's take the most common example and install the KNX Routing Gateway driver. Take note of the recommendations given in the documentation for this driver, particularly in the Quick Configuration section. You may need to make changes to your ETS project. Check that the multicast address and port are correct. You can specify an individual address for your controller if you are using dummy devices in your project. If you are using KNX Secure in your installation, please activate it and enter the security key in the KNX IP backbone key field. Two. Adding Swith light. Add the KNX switch driver to the room of your choice. Name it correctly. You will need to add your corresponding group addresses in set address as well as the status address which corresponds to the lamp status feedback. This information is especially important if the user uses switches in his home, for example. You can modify the operation of your lamp by reversing the 1-bit commands in the operation drop-down menu. Do a refresh navigator and you can test this lamp. Three. Adding dimmer light. Add the KNX dimmer driver to the room of your choice. The group addresses must be entered here. Set address, set level, corresponding to the 1-byte object of your KNX group object with the right flag. Status address, set level, corresponding to the 1-byte object of your KNX group object with the read flag. Raise/lower address, corresponding to the 4 bits group object. Toggle bit address, est l'objet de groupe permettant de commuter la lampe. Do a refresh navigator and you can test this lamp. Allow ramping. Setting this property to on allows the dimmer driver to simulate ramp TO level commands by sending repeated set level commands to KNX. Warning: ramping can cause many additional KNX commands on your KNX bus. If you encounter problems after changing your gateway driver, or if you have installed the gateway driver after your lamp drivers, go to the Connections section and click on your gateway driver. You will then need to make the connections to all your lamps. Thank you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel to be notified of new videos. You can also find all our products and other tutorials on our website.